Okay, hello guys, welcome to the Grinder SMP. This is a new SMP world with loads of other people here. I'm just collecting wood. Looks like loads of other people have got the same as I have. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, got it. Just collecting some wood. Like a normal everyday guy. Collecting wood and then we go try and find a cave. To see if I can mine stuff. Oh wait, who's there? Oh, that was just Arrow of Death. So this is the first episode of the Grinder SMP, a new SMP world that we made. Well, actually, I made it, but I got requested to make it.
Monkish Place 937 joined the game.
We are on Minecraft Bedrock because not everyone here has Java edition, sadly. So it might be a little hard and stuff like that. So I'm just collecting some, cobble, the usual basic materials and stuff like that. Okay, good, nice lot of wood.
10-osh KMR left the game.
Some more wood, more stone or cobble, as it can always be handy. I can see name tags popping up everywhere around us. There's Arrow of Death again. Okay. I did leave a coal because it was getting quite loud. Oh, there's Arrow of Death.
Gaming Game Aurora was slain by Boss Ranger 742.
Jeez, everyone's killing already. And tell me parkour. I desperately need food. There's only forest here. Yikes. Okay. Your stuff. Why are there no animals? Oh, there's something. Food. Sorry, chicken. I need you. I'm hungry.
Arrow of Death 123 was slain by Gaming Game Aurora.
Jeez, killing spree. Not a lot of food, but still some. Chickens. Monkish Place, don't you think about it. Don't you think about killing my chickens. They're mine. And only mine. No one deals with my chickens. Are you following me? Wait, I'm gonna cook something for him.
Monkish Place 937 says wanna team.
Yeah, okay, I want a team. Let me just get him into a private call.
Hello, okay, do you want a team?
Yes.
Okay.
I saw you had food.
I have food. Do you want to have steak?
No,
Arrow
I've
of
got some
Death
chicken.
123 joined the game.
Do you want some steak?
No, I've got some chicken. I'm roasting it in the furnace. Okay.
I want to get some salmon.
Okay. I'm just gonna get some basic materials and stuff like that.
Just stay here. Or
Yeah.
just play.
Oh, nice.
So we can have like a huge mansion with play or something. We should make like a secret base and we should assassinate the person.
I'm not for the assassinating. I want to build like a castle.
Yeah, let's build the castle.
Okay.
Let's first find some diamond and we need to get full iron armor and shields and well, bow and arrow at least.
Okay. I'm just gonna start like digging down.
Can you like dig down? Yeah, sure. Just dig down there. Should be like a sort of mini.
Iron here.
What?
Iron already here.
Okay, nice. I'll build sort of a mini castle.
Yeah, you build like a base camp a little bit, and then I can smelt the iron in there.
I just need some more. Do you have torches?
I've got coal.
Okay, I don't have I don't have coal, so
I do. Dun dun dun.
that's good. I'm just gonna get some more.
Okay. Let me just make some torches. Mayday.
This is kind of bad, but I'll just live with it.
Okay, can you move like the crafting table and stuff like that into here? This is like a mine deposit and stuff like that.
Wait, there was iron in.
Yeah, there was iron in it. Sorry.
Yeah, I mined it. It's okay.
Okay, what's bigger priority?
Stop mining. It's turning night. We should
Oh,
even. Okay. Mission success. It's a sad but working castle. And there's an entrance. But it's kind of sad, so.
well, at least we got like a little base.
Should we have the base all the way up here?
All the way up where?
Like, where I am?
No, I want to move later, but this is just a temporary base.
To all, no, yeah, I know we're gonna move later, but right now should we just have it up here?
Yeah.
I think I'll build chests.
Oh wait, I have to turn on the coordinates.
Alright,
Okay, coordinates on.
nice.
Handy being the server like host or something like that.
That's handy, yeah, it is.
I'm only at 45. Darn it. This is gonna take a while.
That's okay. I'm gonna go up and build some stairs.
Okay.
Because it's gonna be really slow.
Boss Ranger 742 is
already
sleeping
got
in
a
a bed.
bed.
To skip to dawn, all players need to sleep in beds at the same time.
Still, we can't catch up.
I was like exploring and got some coal. I didn't see any animals
Boss
except for
Ranger
chicken.
742 is sleeping in a bed. To skip to dawn, all players need to sleep in beds
Okay.
at the same time.
I didn't find anything except for chicken and coal.
I forgot. Oh my god, why?
I need crafting torches.
I will need to make something. A temporary staircase so I can come up.
Okay.
This really stupid idea. Oh, nothing. No, it's not that stupid. But I'll have to make more stairs, basically.
I've got over a stack of cobble.
There's like 6 more ores.
What the?
8 more ores.
I'm coming up. Then I can give you my cobble.
Okay, but you have to somehow get upstairs. Just jump like to the thing and then jump up. that way won't work since there's light up here.
Okay.
Nice.
No, I found the.
No, I mined it.
I found. Wait. Move backwards.
I'm sorry.
I found the iron here. That's where I found the iron.
Oh no, there's some iron down here.
Okay.
No, I found some more iron.
Watch out.
Okay. I'll put all my cobble in the chest.
I'll get some more. We need more fuel. We need more coal. Yeah, do you have some more coal? Which I can use as lights.
Yeah, I do, but I need like coal for mining.
Can give you one light. No, one coal.
One coal. Why do you need the coal though?
For lighting.
For lighting.
Yeah, in my mind.
In your mine, okay. Come down to me. I've only got 5 coal left. I'll give you 2, okay?
Table in the wall.
Wait, I'll step up here.
Okay. Thank you.
Yep.
Thanks. This actually turned out to be very fun.
Yeah.
Here, let me give you a steak if you get hungry.
No, I've got 1 roast chicken.
No, but you don't have to. Here, take one.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Okay. I'm getting close to diamond level. From the iron, can you make 1 iron pick? Or because I'm approaching diamond level and I've still only got a stone pick still. Ah! Mine shaft. I'm in a mine shaft.
That's so good.
I'm start exploring.
Yeah, don't start exploring yet.
I am, and I found more iron.
Okay. Can you wait a minute? Cause
Yeah, okay.
I'm building. I just made a pickaxe.
Okay.
Step 2. I'll make 2 iron pickaxes.
Nice.
Okay. I'm coming down with iron pickaxes. So.
Watch out. Just making a staircase.
Are you making a staircase?
Yeah.
Nice.
Well, not staircase, but like, so you don't do like a drop.
I'm making an actual staircase.
Oh. I'm gonna start exploring a little bit.
Should we explore before? Let's explore before I make the staircase.
I hear slime.
It's so good. Take the railroads.
No, can you take them?
I'll take the railroad. Okay, sure.
I'm just gonna.
Oh, do you wanna have the pickaxe?
Oh yeah.
Well, I think I'll not hold to mine the woods because.
Yeah, wood's handy.
Oh, there was another railroad under.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, wait.
I'll give you the pickaxe.
Thanks.
Okay, we have to mark the way back.
No, I know where the way back is.
The skeleton.
At least I think. You might mark the way back. I'm just gonna explore.
I have 50.
Dude, oh, diamonds! Let's go!
Good bow. Iron pickaxe, right?
Yep. Diamonds!
They don't need to know we have
Yeah.
diamonds.
Sorry.
Sorry. But we did get some more iron.
Hello.
Hello. Okay, should I take the...
More diamonds!
Oh, iron gold.
Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this, over here. Where I am.
Oh, that's so cool. And
Yeah, deep slate diamonds.
should I get the railroads?
Yeah.
Do you have a stone pickaxe I can use?
Here.
Oh, get the redstone. They can be useful later.
Yeah, cause I'm just using the stone normally. Oh.
Are we getting the copper?
Yeah. We're getting everything.
Okay, we're back on the surface. Monkish Place had to leave, and I sadly lost the audio for this, so I'm just doing a voiceover for this later. I'm just clearing a space here to make a nice base, and I'll get back to you once I finish the base. Okay, the base is done. I find it's looking pretty nice. We've got a nice door, an entranceway. Yeah, I'm just looking at my loot. nice glass over like the river and stuff like that. Yeah, I find it a nice base. Well, if we look at our base, it's nice. It's nice. I think it's time to stop this episode of the Grind SMP. Hope you guys enjoyed the first episode, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!